People have always told, follow your dream. Well, I took the advice and I did. Being a content creator has never been as difficult and as a competitive job as it is now. However, it has also never been as rewarding and exciting as it is in 2019. A year ago, I was making pennies and struggling, until I discovered Steem. It was a life changer. Steem is a decentralized social media sharing environment, eliminating censorship, and with the ability to earn with every single blog, video, or photo you make. It's simple. Create content you love. Upload it on Steem. The community will engage with your content, and you'll earn Steem ready to spend. Not a content creator, but rather an observer, Steem is a great place to curate content and earn from that too. Well, look at me now, laying on a tropical beach, being able to share my passion with diverse audience, fellow content creators, and curators. Join Steem and see for yourself.